When I was in college, I had a knee injury that led to knee surgery. I lost all of my muscle and tone in my left leg. I had to learn how to walk. When I got the opportunity to work on this knee replacement technology that can help improve patient outcomes and could reduce recovery time, I said, I have to be a part of this. I've always been drawn to building things, working with my hands. I chose engineering because it exposes you to really difficult problems. My mom, she's an engineer. She also works in the medical field, really passionate about her job. So I think I kind of got inspired from her, seeing that you can work on things that will be very meaningful.
I'm really proud that you actually chose a career in healthcare. All these hours spent playing with the Lego, you were very self-motivated.
In my job, I design and develop robotic surgery solutions and digital technology. And I find it really fascinating because it supports a surgeon to do what they already do really well. It gives them flexibility, adaptability, and it allows them to do new things that they weren't able to do before. I work with surgeons like Dr. Wright. One of the most fun parts is to go in the lab with them. We have a prototype and we have a surgeon work with the product. And so by observing how they use the product, what comes easy to them versus what features they struggle with, we have a conversation around what does this feature look like. I bring that back to the team so that we can use that piece of information to improve the product.
Desi has personal experience of the journey of an orthopedic patient. That knowledge keeps her focused on what was at stake for the patient, just as I understood from my experience as an orthopedic surgeon. We were able to meld that drive into something I think was much more powerful than each one of us working alone.
Honestly, my recovery still hasn't ended. It's really made me appreciate the importance of the patient satisfaction. I'd love for my kids to follow in my footsteps, for them to experience the kind of joy that I feel when I work on these products.